Hey y'all, it's silk press season. So today I'm going to be doing another silk press on my hair and I just decided to record it. I'm going to be using the Kenra products. This is their clarifying shampoo. I'm going to start off with this shampoo because I went swimming and I have chlorine in my hair. So in order to get that chlorine out, you have to use like a clarifying detox shampoo. So I'm going to use this on my hair one time. I'm just going to make sure it lathers, and I'm mostly going to focus on my scalp, getting all the buildup dirt off my scalp, and then I'm going to let the water run the rest of it through. Next, after I rinse that one out, I'm going to take the moisturizing shampoo and do one other shampoo. And also, as you guys can see, I do not have any heat damage. Even though I do silk press my hair about every 2 to 3 weeks, I do not have any straight pieces. So next, I'm going to take this moisturizing conditioner and their hydrating mask. I like to cocktail products sometimes because I feel like with using a lot of heat, you lose moisture. So I decided to cocktail those products and put it all throughout my hair. If you guys are wondering why I'm wearing gloves, it's because I have really bad eczema on my hands, and I'm a stylist, so I have my hands in water a lot. So I have to wear gloves now because my eczema is acting up. But yeah, now I'm going to put on these shower caps, and I only needed one. I don't know why I put two on, but I'm going to sit under my steamer for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow that conditioner to really penetrate into my hair strands. After that, I took a shower and detangled in the shower. So now I'm going to go in with my Pravana leave-in and spritz that in my hair as my heat protectant. I like to work it through to make sure that it gets all over my hair, and I always work in 4 sections. Next, I'm going to take my Silver Bird blow dryer. I'm going to grab the entire section and go through that section with the blow dryer on high heat. I'm using high heat right now because the dryer is not close to my hair. I'm actually able to just blow dry the root area from a little bit of a distance. So now when I break this in two, I'm going to put my comb attachment on and work it through that subsection. And now I turned the dryer down to like a medium heat because it's so close to my hair. And I've tried so many different blow drying techniques, and this is by far my favorite technique to use. It gets my hair really, really straight when I do this. Now, after I go through that section with the comb attachment, I'm going to take this dimming brush and go through it again. Now, my hair was not fully dry after I used the comb attachment, so I'm just going to finish drying that section with the dimming brush to get my hair dry but also straighter. This is really, really important because you want your blow dry to be extremely straight so that when you go in to straighten it, you don't have to do as much work. And your hair is going to last, your silk press will last a lot longer if you do it this way. So don't just use the comb attachment. You need to use something with smaller teeth to get the hair really, really straight. With this silk press that I'm doing today, I'm not looking to get my hair extremely bone straight. I'm actually going to just leave a little bit of texture still in my hair because I work out a lot and I start to sweat. Also, I don't want to get it bone straight because not every silk press that I do, I want it bone straight because I do a lot of them. Some I just would rather keep a little texture in my hair, use less heat so that I can preserve my curls. I do still like to wear my wash and goes more towards the summer months. Now, the flat iron that I'm using is the EAP ceramic iron on 410. I could have went up to 430, but like I said, I'm not trying to get it super, super bone straight. I use the chase method where I, follow the comb with the iron. And I always only do one pass, or if I'm adding curls, I'll do about 2 passes. But I typically only do one pass with the iron. That's all it takes. If you do multiple passes, that's how you get heat damage. So I'm very, very cautious of my flat iron use, just because, like I said, I do so many silk presses. And if you guys are really nervous about using heat on your hair, if you didn't notice, like I used the leave-in conditioner and that was it. Personally, that's what I like to do. But if you are a person that's scared to use heat, I would use 2 layers of protection. So I would use my leave-in conditioner when I blow dry and then use a serum after I'm done blow drying and before I flat iron. And this is the completed look. As you guys can see, I just left a little texture left in there. And yeah, if you guys are looking for a virtual hairstylist, you know, I'm here for y'all. I've been doing natural hair for about 2 years now, and I've gained a little bit of knowledge. So yeah, leave me comments down below if you have any questions for me. My next video, I will be discussing why people get heat damage when they straighten their hair. So make sure y'all tune in for that, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!